Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be reading roasts. You guys been roasting me. I mean, other people too. So, alright. So, I asked you guys to roast me for an upcoming video. I'm gonna react and respond. Okay. This is from Jack's Best Gaming. Shout out to you. You're as strong as an ox, just not as intelligent. Oh my god. That's really good. Really good. But yeah. If laughter is the best medicine, your face must be curing the world. Oh man. Oh, good job. Good job. Wait, there's more. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. You're fine. That's from Jack's Best Gaming. So, if life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. But when life gives you the Ethanator, why does it sound like a ripoff of a franchise? Oh, oh my gosh. You guys are killing it. Bro, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Alright, Ethan is Ethan is actually pretty good looking, but has a boring personality. Good looks, but boring personality. You're like real life clickbait. Oh, good job, you guys. Alright. Alright, I did that one. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. So, like this video too. Everyone asks me, hey, why is the Ethanator so lonely? Me, cause he's the nerd in my class with glasses. Okay, first off, I guess I'm kind of a nerd. I agree with that. This is from the River Sky, by the way. Shout out to you, Roast. Nobody. Hey guys, the Ethanator is such a good bodybuilder. Me. More like Bob the Builder. Wow. Oh man. You guys are pretty interesting. Alright. Roast bodybuilder T. When your chest wants to stick out further than your guts. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. When God puts a nerd's head on a bodybuilder. Okay. Shout out to Blues Club. Also, he wants me to say, tell them I am doing sub for sub. So, if you're watching, dude, you get a shout out. Comment down below, and I'll pin the comment. Okay. I just got this idea, so yeah. Make sure you guys subscribe and like the video. Pick up lines. Coming soon.